Now, the earth revolves round the sun, and earth takes 365 days to complete one circle around the sun. So, to complete one circle, earth takes 365 days, and this particular group of days, that is 365 days, has been defined as a unit of time. Now this unit is called a year. Now 1 year has 365 days. Now definitely 365 days is a pretty long time. So 1 year is divided into 12 parts. Now what are these 12 parts? Well, the 12 parts of a year are called months. So these are another unit of time, smaller than year. So what are the months in a year? Well, they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the last month of the year is December. So a year starts with January and ends in December. So after December, again it's January, February, and so on. So these are the 12 months in a year. Now a calendar shows the 12 months of a year. So how do you know which month it is and what date it is? Well, for all of this you can refer a calendar. So in a calendar you will find January, February, March, April, all these sections where you will have dates according to months of the year. Now even a month is not a very short span of time. So it has been further divided into smaller units. Now such units are called weeks. So a month is further divided into weeks. Now 1 week has 7 days. So 1 week comprises of 7 days. And what are these days? Well, they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So a week will start from Sunday and end on Saturday. And all these together make up 1 week. So after Saturday, it's Sunday again, and this circle goes on. So as you can see in a calendar, this is the month January, this is the year 2018, and these are days of the week. So you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And this is how they are written in short. That is, this SUN stands for Sunday, MON stands for Monday, TUE, that is Tuesday, first 3 letters of Tuesday. So, and then Wednesday, first 3 letters of Wednesday, then Thursday, first 3 letters of Thursday, THU, and then Friday, first 3 letters of Friday, FRI, and SAT, first 3 letters of Saturday. So in a calendar, when there is shortage of space, these are sometimes written in short like this. So this is how weeks are shown in a calendar. So in a calendar you see different information, that is the month, the week, and the year. And these are the different units of time which we refer to, and this is visible in a calendar. So 1 year has 12 months, and if you want to represent 1 year in terms of weeks, then 1 year has 52 weeks. Similarly, if you talk about days, how many days make up 1 year? Well, 1 year has 365 days. So these are the different units of time which you can easily see in a calendar, that is year, months, weeks, and days. So 1 year has 365 days. Year is divided into 12 months. The months from January to December. Months are further divided into weeks. That is from Sunday to Saturday. And there are 52 weeks in a year. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.